How can you graph a point on a coordinate plane? Think about this question during the lesson. A coordinate plane is a grid containing two number lines that intersect in a right angle at 0. The number lines, called the x and y axes, divide the plane into 4 quadrants.
Extend what you know about grids to the coordinate plane.
How is this coordinate plane different from coordinate planes you have seen before?
Okay, so let's chat real quick. This is a coordinate plane where we have an x is the horizontal and a y axis, correct? Okay. What is at the center? What's the origin of the coordinate plane? What's that where the x and y intersect? 0. And it's just a horizontal number line and a vertical number line. So to the right of 0 is what? Positive values. To the left of 0 is negative values. Above is
Positive.
and below is
Negative.
Okay, there are quadrants. Now these can be hard to remember how they work, but they go counterclockwise and they start top right. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. And you'll get more into quadrants as we get older. We won't do a lot with quadrants this year.
Isn't counterclockwise this way?
Counterclockwise is this way. Clockwise would be this way. Okay?
Counterclockwise.
Alright, good. So that is a coordinate plane. Continue to listen.
This coordinate plane includes negative integer values to make 4 quadrants instead of just 1. Which axis is horizontal? Which axis is vertical?
Okay, which axis is vertical?
X.
Which axis is vertical?
Oh, Y.
Y. Which axis is horizontal?
X.
X. X horizontal, Y vertical.
X-axis is horizontal. The y-axis is vertical. How can you graph and label points on a coordinate plane? An ordered pair, x, y, of numbers gives the coordinates that locate a point relative to each axis. Graph the points q, 2, -3, r, -1, 1, and s, 0, 2, on a coordinate plane. To graph any point P with coordinates x, y, start at the origin, 0, 0. Use the x-coordinate to move right, if positive, or left, if negative, along the x-axis. Then use the y-coordinate of the point to move up, if positive, or down, if negative, following the y-axis. Draw a point on the coordinate plane and label the point. Now let's graph point R, -1, 1. What is the x-coordinate of point R?
-1.
What is the y-coordinate of point R?
1.
Describe how to graph point R on the coordinate plane.
Okay, so we have point R. Something I want you to know about the one they did before. When they put the point in, they labeled it with the letter, and they also put the coordinates. Okay, some of the work that I've been getting so far is you put a point there and nothing else with it. Well, that's just a dot. We have to say that that is point Q. So let's do point R. How do I get to point R? What is the first value?
Negative.
Which axis? X or Y? X. We always go horizontal first. So what do I do? Go left 1 right here, right? And then what do I do? And then I go up 1. And there are little green lines here. You can't see them very well. Okay, how would I label that?
Oh, I see them.
How would I label it? That's just a dot right now. How do I label
R.
it? I would put R.
Then you put the parentheses, -1, and then comma 1.
Good. We're going to get it right? Alright, check and see what they think.
The x-coordinate is -1. The y-coordinate is 1. To graph point R, you start at the origin and move 1 unit left, then 1 unit up. In which quadrant is point R located?
Select your answer.
Which quadrant?
Point R is located in quadrant 2.
Yay!
For point 0, 2, the x-coordinate is 0. How would you plot point S?
Yay.
To plot point S, start at the origin, but do not move left or right. Then move up 2 units on the y-axis.
That's the one that we get in trouble with, is that last one. It's plotting 0, 2, because the 0 tells us what? To stay there. Well, stay where? So that means you do not go right or left, right? And the 2 tells me to what? Go up. What if it were the opposite? What if it was 2, 0? 2 would tell me to 2, 0. Go to the right 2, but then do what?
Stay there.
Stay there. Okay, good. All right. Let's do this and then we'll be done.
That was A.
Okay, drag each ordered pair to the correct quadrant of the coordinate plane. Again, quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, where would -1, 1 go? Which quadrant? Lacey? Quadrant 2, do we agree? Yes, you would go left 1 and then up 1. Where would 2, -3 go? 2, -3, Jenna?
VI.
So this is quadrant 4?
Yeah.
So we go over 2, down 3, I agree. 5, 1. 5, 1. Alright, what quadrant was 5, 1 going? 1, because we'd go over 5, up 1, I agree. -1, -8. -1, -8. Jennifer, where would -1, -8 go? Okay, good, because we go back 1 and then down how many? Down 8, it'd end up down there somewhere. -3, 3. Lucy.
It goes in the second quadrant.
Good. Back 3, up 3. And 4, -7. Where does it go? 4, -7. 4, -7. Jason. We go. Okay, good. Over 4, down 7. Do we get it?
Yep.
Awesome.
Now you know how you can graph a point on a coordinate plane.
All right, good. Thank you, Jen.